Want to quickly share a full photo collection with someone instead of sending pictures one by one? You can do it easily using a shareable link in Google Photos, and I'll show you exactly how. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Scroll through your gallery and find the photos or videos you want to share. Now tap and hold on one photo to start selecting, then continue tapping to select multiple items at once. Once everything is selected, tap on Add to Album at the bottom of the screen. Then choose New Album so you can create a fresh shared collection. Give your album a name by tapping on Add a Title, something simple that describes your photos. Now go back and open the album section at the top. Find and tap the album you just created. Inside the album, look at the bottom and tap the share icon. Google Photos will instantly generate a shareable link for your album. Now you can send it through apps like WhatsApp, Messages, or any other platform you prefer. Just paste or send the link, and the other person can open it right away. And that's it. Anyone with the link will be able to view all the photos and videos inside your album without needing to download anything.